Hi, welcome to my channel Artsy. So today let's see how we can do this beautiful painting, watercolor painting. Let's begin. So first I'm going to start with a neat circle here, freehand circle. This is a easy method to draw freehand circle with the help of our little finger here. So I posted a video about this, how to draw the circle. Yes. Next, I'm going to draw a line here. It's like a yin yang, and then the bottom I'm going to do a sunset thing, and then on the left side I'm going to do like a night scene. Yes, together. So here make sure the circles are top and bottom in this way. Here, yes, for the circle, and it has to be at the center. What I'm trying to say is it has to be at exactly the center here. It will look good, it will look well balanced in that way. Next, um, after drawing this, we have to uh, neatly color the first sky and water. We're going to use the lighter color first always. Let's continue. So here left side I'm going to draw a mountain, and right side it's going to be like trees, coconut trees, because it's a sunset, and of course we have to draw the coconuts. So here I've started with the light blue. So here what you have to do is you have to take a little amount of blue color, just a little amount of paint, and a little more amount of water. So you see that combination, a little paint, more water. So make it transparent, make it like transparent, then add near the moon. Next step, dark blue. You're going to take dark blue now, and then you're going to paint the sides. So it is very easy. Here you're going to take more amount of dark blue for this one. Okay, carefully give the outline. You have to do it like really neat. Now giving the detailing for the mountains. Now as you can see, the light blue is still wet and dark blue is also wet, so they are like blending like very neatly. They're forming that glowing effect of the moon, which is really needed in this painting. Next, towards the right side. Now it's time. The right side seems to be a little dried and it's not blending so much with the light blue, so you need not worry about that. We have to add a little more water, and then we have to blend it. Oh, see, it started blending on the top. It's good. Now on the left side, if you see, it has dried and it has become still light. Okay, let's make it a little darker. Not to worry. So here I've blended it with just water. Blended it with just water. Now again, once again, I'm going to add a little dark blue. So if the video is like really fast, you can just pause it. Now mountain. So here what I've done, I've taken black and taken more water. That's why the black has become very transparent and it has turned grey. So first I just covered the white surface with some vertical angular strokes. That's it. Next, spreading it till the bottom, not till the down portion, a little till the middle, and then we are going to do the trees as well. That's why. So now I've almost finished the mountain. Since it's a night scene, you can even mix a bit of blue, dark blue for the mountain as well. Now the right side, let me start painting the sun and the sky. So here I've used yellow here. It's not lemon yellow, it's like chrome yellow that I've used, and then spread it up a little with water. Just blend it with water. I'm not using a big brush, I'm using a medium brush here. Now it's time to add orange. So here take minimal water, minimum paint, and just add. When the yellow is wet, just add paint and blend it. So you have to be very careful with these edges, so they shouldn't touch the blue. So blue is not dried. You have to wait until the blue dries and then you have to do the sky of the sun, because the blue and yellow mix, they'll turn green, the sky turns green, that's why. So here next I'm going to add an orange outline for the sun, and next water, I'm going to do it horizontal strokes. It's easy to paint the water here. I've just done zigzag strokes here. It's pretty easy, isn't it? Zigzag strokes. If you like my videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Let's continue. So here, after finishing the zigzag, so as you can see, I've left a little white space here and there, which will look like a highlight, and it's good. So on the left side, I've started blending it. Even on the right side, I'll add orange and I'll start blending it again to the bottom. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of burnt sienna, light brown, and orange. First, more of orange. Use more of orange here. Next, you can add a little bit of burnt sienna as well here, for both sky and water. Next, as you can see, the little bit of paper has come off, and I'm just removing it with my fingers, since I'm using a normal camel book. It's not going to be a watercolor paper that I'm using here. It's a normal book. Yes. Next, as you can see, I've used a little bit of burnt sienna here and there for the water. Now, just adding a bit of finishing. Now on the left side, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to draw the tree trunk first here, and then I'm trying to draw it like a pine trees. So here you can mix sap green and black. So if you don't know how to do this color, you can just mix some green and brown and try, or just a bit of black also you can add and make it a little darker. You can just play with the colors and try this color. If you want to use very dim green also, you can use very dim green, and if you want to use light green, it may not be visible because backside we have added gray color. That's why we are adding a darker color at the front. So here, neatly, let's create a forest kind of situation over here, and then the coconut leaves. So here, as you can see, I have used a pointy brush, and I'm not going to take more of water here. Not going to take more of water. Pointy brush and strokes, curvy strokes. The strokes have to be curvy and downwards. It's not going to be like too sharp strokes. It's curvy and downwards, and this has to be done when the sky is completely dry. Only after that you can do this green color. So I've used the sap green. You can even use very dim green. Sap green would look good, that's why I've used sap green. Next, some brown color. You can use dark brown or light brown, and few coconuts here and there. Now the horizon line, a little bit of brown here and there. We have almost come to the finishing part. If your sky is looking a bit, plain, you can even add few birds and make it look interesting. Birds are beautiful, isn't it? Birds make the whole scenario really important here, feel really good. Now, more of sap green here and there, just trying to make it a little darker. We have almost finished. Yes. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Bye bye.